The SONY XPERIA Pro I is the company's most recent professional-grade camera phone. It's more of a camera than a phone. Instead of normal smartphone buyers, this is aimed towards photography and video experts. Sony is back in the game. The Pro I is another high-end, camera-focused smartphone from the firm. According to Sony, the I stands for imaging. The rumored 1-inch primary camera sensor inside sets it distinct from other leading camera phones. The Pro I, according to Sony, is the first phone to use such a big sensor, though the Sharp Aquos R6 did too, giving it an advantage over the competition in terms of image. For certain types of professionals, such as vloggers, the business obviously feels the Pro I can serve as a full-time camera. In fact, Sony describes the phone as a 1.0 type image sensor camera with complete smartphone capabilities, rather than a phone with a camera attached to it. The Pro I is only available in one version from Sony. It has 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, as well as all the other high-end features you'd expect from a phone at this pricing point. The Pro I, by the way, costs a whopping $1,799 in the United States. You may order the phone straight from Sony or purchase it from Amazon. The XPERIA Pro I comes with a 6.5-inch 3840x1644 OLED display and a somewhat narrow 21:9 aspect ratio. It uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor supporting sub-6 GHz 5G and 4G networks. Performance is aided by 12 GB of RAM and a 120 Hz frame rate, while a fast-charging 4500 mAh battery keeps everything running. A 1.0 Type XMOR RS image sensor is used in the gadget. This sensor, like the acclaimed RX100 BAI camera, uses autofocus phase detection to give dynamic range and effective low-light performance. It usually produces a 12-megapixel image, but it can go up to 20 MP. Three 12MP cameras, including ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, make up the rear camera array. A front-facing camera with an aperture of 8 megapixels is included. Sony informs potential customers that the lower megapixel count is unimportant because the XPERIA Pro technology is designed to extract more information from pixels. This means that a higher MP number isn't required to capture detail and keep up with the competition. A 24mm primary lens with a dual aperture is also used on the gadget, which may achieve genuine bokeh effects rather than digitally produced ones. It boasts a Bions X image processor that can shoot at up to 20 frames per second in burst mode, FPS. Finally, it can shoot 4K video. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.